In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on Sound and Vibration. Now, you can tap on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. But you can also tap on Ring on the left, and if you want to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls, use this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring. When you finished, hit Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for calls and alarms, and then messages and notifications thanks to those sliders. To discard your changes, hit Cancel, and to save them, tap on this area at the top. Then scroll again, and over here, tap on Ringtone, and choose Vibration section at the top to either pick one of those patterns, disable vibrations completely, or synchronize them with your current ringtone. Then tap on Notification Down and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. When you finished, just go back. Now, last but not least, scroll all the way down and hit Haptics. Then enable or disable System Haptics thanks to this switcher. And if you decided to enable them, adjust intensity. Then hit How Touches Feel. And after tapping on it, pick Crisp or Gentle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!